Hello guys, this is Helen from Vivne. Today I will show you how to assemble our 40 kWh battery module kit in the original Nissan Leaf ZE0 battery case. These are all the accessories which we will use later. Okay, we will show you the process of how to modify the harness. This is the harness we removed from the original battery pack. We are going to reuse it. But before we install it back to the new battery pack, we have to modify it first. We have to remove all the temperature wires and remove all the voltage wires. For this end, you only need to keep this wire. It will be connected to the BMS and remove the other parts. And for this end, remove the temperature wires and the voltage wires. So now let's modify it. Okay, we unwrap the tape from the cables. We just unwrap the tape, and now we will find all the voltage wires and the temperature sensors and remove them. Okay, let's do it. For this end, we only need to keep this wire and remove all those voltage wires. So we have to cut from here. Okay, those are the temperature wires and the voltage wires. We cut each wire. Make sure the wires won't connect together now. We use the insulation tape to wrap them together. And wrap them with a protective tubing. And wrap more insulation tape around the connecting and the protection tubing now. For this end, remove these temperature wires. Make sure the wires won't connect together. And wrap some insulation tape now. And now the next step is to connect these two wires together. We cut the wires and remove some skin from the wires and pull them together. We solder them together. Wrap some insulation tape now. Okay, so this is the cable we are going to need. It will be like this. To make sure the insulation performance is good, we will wrap some insulation tape around the bracket of the service plug. First, hammer the wrist part flat. Now module C is on the gantry. Install module C. Align the hole position. Now module B is on the gantry. Install module B. Now module A is on the gantry. Install module A. Put the 3 spacers down to install module D. The module D will be installed at the top back. Now module D is on the gantry. Install module D. Fix module C. Pull the long screws down to fix module D. Fix the back side of module D. Tighten the screws. Mark on the screws that we just tightened well. Start to fix module B. Fix module A. Tighten the screws. Can use a small spanner here to further fix the screws here. Remember to mark on the screws that are tightened well. Install the module A and B single harness plug to BMS. Plug in the buckles. Connect module C and D. There are labels on the plugs. Please connect according to the labels. Install the temperature sensor. Fix the temperature sensor. Install the original car single harness. This is after we modified just now. Organize the cables with the ribbon ties we shipped as accessories. Install the bracket for the relay module. Fix the screws. Install the original relay module. Fix the relay module. For all the installation, please only use a manual wrench. No electric wrenches can be used. Install the high voltage plug. Install the A positive to service plug power cable to the service plug now. Install the D negative to service plug power cable. Plug in this buckle from the original car single harness to the service plug. Fix the service plug. Connect the other end of the power cable that comes from the service plug to A positive. All the torque setting is 8.8. Cover the lid. Install the other end of the power cable that comes from the service plug to D negative. Install the B negative to BDU negative power cable. Cover the lid. Install the C positive to BDU positive power cable. Install the C negative to D positive copper bar. Use a small spanner here. Install the A negative to B positive copper bar. Please only use manual wrench. Cover the lid of the relay module. Plug in the sparkle from the original car single harness to the relay module. Organize the cables. Measure the voltage between the service plug to the relay module. Change to measure the other side. The two values should be the same. Measure the insulation value between the service plug to the ground. Change to measure the other side of the service plug to the ground. These data are normal. Install the BMS bracket. Install the BMS. Attention, for all the plugs that comes from our modules are plugged at the bottom. For all the plugs that comes from the original car are plugged at the side of the BMS. This comes from the original car signal harness. This is the temperature sensor. Organize the cable. Fix the BMS. Use the OBD2 battery to read the battery performance. As we are using a testing BMS, so you can only check the voltage, the current, the voltage difference, and the temperatures. These data are normal. After seal the pack, it can be installed on the Leaf ZE0 for road test now.